Welcome to our series on T-Mobile login errors. T-Mobile users occasionally encounter login errors on the mobile app and website. These errors, such as unable to sign in, network error, or authentication failed, can be frustrating. This video explains common causes and provides troubleshooting steps to quickly resolve these issues. We'll cover everything from simple fixes to more advanced solutions. T-Mobile is a major telecommunications provider that offers mobile and internet services through their app and website. The login process typically involves entering your credentials on screens like this one. Users enter their phone number, email, or password to access their accounts. However, sometimes users see error messages instead of logging in successfully. Common errors include unable to sign in, network error, or authentication failed. Several factors contribute to T-Mobile login problems. These include incorrect username or password, network connectivity issues, outdated app versions, server-side problems, and interference from VPNs or ad blockers. Problems with multi-factor authentication or expired OAuth tokens can also cause errors. Cause 1. Wrong login credentials entered. Cause 2. Wi-Fi or cellular data problems. Cause 3. Old app not compatible. Cause 4. T-Mobile servers experiencing issues. Cause 5. Security tools blocking login. Cause 6. Authentication problems. Before diving into advanced solutions, try these basic steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, double-check your username and password, paying attention to capitalization and typos. If you're unsure, reset your password via the T-Mobile website, not the app. Make sure the app is updated to the newest version available on the App Store. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try advanced solutions like clearing the app's cache and data. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select T-Mobile, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache, followed by Clear Data. Note that clearing data may sign you out and remove your preferences. On iOS, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the T-Mobile app, and choose to offload app to keep data or delete app to remove data, then reinstall from the App Store if needed. Additionally, disable any VPNs or ad blockers that can interfere with the login process. You can also switch to incognito mode in your browser to rule out issues from browser extensions. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of security to your T-Mobile login by requiring not just a password, but also a verification code from a trusted device. This typically involves an authenticator app, SMS text, or hardware token. Here's how MFA typically works. Your device runs an authenticator app that generates a unique code. When logging in, you enter both your password and this time-sensitive code. When MFA fails during T-Mobile login, it could be due to several common issues. First, ensure you have access to your authentication method, whether it's an authenticator app, SMS codes, or a hardware token. Second, time synchronization is crucial because MFA codes are time-based and expire quickly. If your device's clock is wrong, the codes won't work. Third, app crashes or outdated authenticator software can prevent code generation. Always keep your apps updated. To troubleshoot MFA issues, start by checking that your device's time is set correctly. MFA codes are time-sensitive and require accurate synchronization. Next, make sure your authenticator app is up to date and working properly. Common apps include Google Authenticator, Authy, and Microsoft Authenticator. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support directly to reset your MFA settings. They can help restore access to your account. Sometimes, login problems are due to T-Mobile server outages or maintenance. Check the T-Mobile website or down detector to see if there are widespread issues. During outages, the best course of action is to wait until the problem is resolved on T-Mobile's end. T-Mobile's login services are generally operational at 99.9% uptime. T-Mobile uses AI-powered chatbots for real-time troubleshooting of login issues. If you can't resolve the problem yourself, their virtual assistant provides immediate help. AI handles 70% of login support queries, dramatically reducing wait times from hours to just minutes. This efficiency has saved T-Mobile $150 million in support costs. The chatbot guides users through troubleshooting steps and can connect them to human representatives if needed. Here's how a typical interaction might look in the T-Mobile virtual assistant. The telecom industry is evolving towards advanced security solutions like AI-driven systems and zero-trust architectures that verify every access attempt. T-Mobile is investing billions in AI-enhanced login systems to achieve near-perfect uptime and reduce authentication failures. Passwordless authentication using biometrics, such as fingerprints and facial recognition, will become the standard, offering enhanced security and fewer login errors compared to traditional passwords. By 2030, quantum-resistant encryption technologies will protect against future cyber threats, virtually eliminating authentication errors caused by advanced computing attacks.